Hello guys, today I will make a unboxing and super review about Moondrop Nekocake, and let's open it. Inside it, this is a Moondrop Nekocake. And I already opened the box. Let's unboxing it. Yeah, so this is a charging case. This Moondrop Nekocake. I don't know what is this. A half earbuds and a half IM, I think. This charging cable, USB Type C, and some ear tips. What is this? A warranty card and a guidebook in Chinese language and English. Yeah, so this for yeah, so is this so this is a unboxing for a Moondrop Nekocake. Before getting into the sound quality section, let's take a look at the Nekocake Moondrop a little more. This is the look of Moondrop Nekocake, and this for the IM. Yeah, Moondrop. And for the sound quality, for the bass is good. It doesn't bleed even on bass heavy tracks. It sounds punchy, and I tested tracks with rumbling bass, and you can still feel the rumble, but the decay is just fast, and I don't know, it's just okay bass. For the mids, for mid, it is the best part of this Moondrop Nekocake. Male vocals and female vocals is present and clear, but sometimes the instruments drowns the vocals a little bit, especially if guitar. And for the treble is good. Yeah, just good. And Moondrop adding AQ presets on the app called Moondrop link. So you can change you can change the tuning of the Nekocake.